Okay, so here we are. We're back on the farm again here. What I'm going to show you today is how to install a bud tire and rim. And it's actually not too bad, pretty easy. But just in case people have never seen it before, this is what they call a bud tire. It's got the hollow opening like this. And what happens is you have these blocks here. They're steel blocks that hold your bolts in, and they connect right onto here. Actually, they go this way, and the bolt goes through and it holds this rim to the actual axle and hub there. So, and here's one that's done. You can see that these pieces go right there, and that's what holds that rim on. Right now I got these soaking in oil, because what you should do is sand down where they connect, and then install. So what I'm going to do right now is sand down where all of them connected here. And what this does, this prevents the tire from becoming loose. All right. You already had those soaking in oil. I kind of want to line it back up where it was at. You don't have to, but if you don't, you got to make sure the area where they are going is nice and clean. And you can see this sloped angle right here is what's going to go against your rim, and the thicker part is going to go towards the inside. And on these, I got a 7/8. All right, it's that simple. Just a bud rim, just different style, and these little metal blocks is what holds it together, unlike regular conventional where it's just the nuts right against it. But that's a bud rim, and that's all. Very simple. Hope you enjoyed.